Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you the steps to report a server on Discord. Discord is a massive platform for voice, video, and text, but sometimes you might encounter a community that violates the terms of service or community guidelines. Reporting these servers is necessary to maintain the safety and integrity of the platform. Whether the issue involves harassment or illegal activities, Discord provides a clear path for users to flag misconduct. Let's start the process. First, open your web browser and go to the official Discord website. You need to be logged into your account to file a report, so enter your registered email address accurately. Next, input your password, remembering that it is case-sensitive. Double-check that your caps lock is off to avoid any login failures. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to reach your home screen. From the home screen, navigate to your main Discord area where your servers and direct messages are listed. Choose the specific server you wish to report. It is important to be certain that the server is actually breaking the rules before proceeding. Once you are in the server, you need to copy the server ID. This is typically found in the server settings, though you might need to turn on developer mode in your own user settings first. Copying this ID is a vital step because it allows the support team to pinpoint the exact server within the Discord ecosystem. Now, open a new tab in your browser and search for the Discord support page to submit a request. This page is designed for communicating concerns directly to the moderation team. Once there, select the Help and Support option to begin your report. You will see various fields where you can provide details about the situation. Be as thorough as possible by describing the violation, pasting the server ID, and including any evidence like screenshots or message links. Take a moment to review everything for accuracy so the team can act effectively. Finally, hit the Submit button to send your report for review. By following these steps, you are helping keep the community safe. Reporting might seem difficult, but it is a straightforward process that is essential for a positive environment. Use this feature responsibly and only when truly warranted. Your contribution helps the well-being of all users. Thank you for watching and for helping keep Discord a welcoming place. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.